Good day everyone, I am Jomar A. De Los Reyes and we are going to discuss the audio information and media together with my co-reporter Leonard P. Flores. What is audio? Audio refers to a sound typically in the form of speech, music, or other auditory signals that is transmitted or recorded electronically. Audio media. Audio media refers to any form of media content that is primarily transmitted or distributed in an auditory format, typically through sound waves. This includes radio broadcast, podcast, music, streaming services, audiobooks, and sound recordings. What is audio information? Audio information refers to any type of information that is conveyed or presented in audio format, typically through spoken words or sound recordings. First is radio broadcast. Radio broadcast is one of the technology where you report or share information live through radio waves. Since we are in an era of new media, the radio broadcast was not continuously used because we had a lot of devices which we can easily access into our device. Sound recording. Sound recording is the process of capturing and storing audio signals for playback or preservation. It involves using equipment like microphones and recording devices to capture sound waves, which are then converted into electrical signals and stored in a digital or analog format. Clip or sound effect is typically a short segment of audio, often extracted from a longer recording used for various purposes, such as music production, film, television, or multimedia projects. It is used to enhance the auditory experience of a particular scene or event in media productions. And the last one is an audio podcast. An audio podcast is a digital audio file or series of audio files that are episodic in nature and available for streaming or download online. Podcasts cover a wide range of topics including news, storytelling, interviews, educational content, and entertainment.
Different ways of storing audio files. Tape storage, also known as magnetic tape, is a method of storing audio files using magnetic tape as a storage medium. In this method, audio signals are recorded onto a magnetic tape in analog or digital format. Compact disc. A compact disc is a digital optical disc storage format that was introduced in the 1980s. It consists of a thin circular disc made of polycarbonate plastic with a reflective metallic layer and a protective outer layer.
Purposes of using sounds or audio media. This enables the learners to listen to the ideas and views of the experts and other reliable people. These allow learners to listen learning materials like speeches. This serves as alternative guides for the learners when they are doing their tasks such as experiments and etc. This grant the learners audio files of important past events or sounds from the setting that the learners cannot personally visit. Elements and principles of sound design. A composition in the form of conversation between two people. Sound effect. The sound, aside from dialogue and music, artificially made to create an effect in a movie, play, or broadcast production. Music. An instrumental or a vocal sound that conveys emotions and ideas in significant forms through the element of color, harmony, melody, and rhythm. Silence. The complete absence of noise or sound.
Principles of sound design. Mixing, the balance, combination, and control of numerous sound elements. Pace, the editing and the time control of a sound design. It has numerous categories. First is linear, the sound that are permanent, used once, and it will be in the same place. Second, nonlinear, the sound that are much more open in comparison to linear sound. Next is multilinear. Transition, the process of getting from one element or fragment of sound design to another. It has various types. Sig, an interrupted movement from one piece of music to another. Next is crossfade, the smooth transition of sound between two side-by-side audio files on the same track. Next is V-fade, a switch from one volume level to another softer or louder level. Last is fade to black, a type of V-fade which has some silence between the elements of a sound design. Stereo imaging, the feature of sound documentation and duplication concerning the spatial locations of the sound sources, both sideways and in the